So math has started to feel hard. First of all, it happens to everybody. Second, I'm sorry, that's no fun. And third, and this is the most important, it doesn't mean that you're bad at math. There's a reason that it's gotten hard. And the good news, it's fixable. So in an ideal world, the math foundation is a lot like a giant Jenga tower. You learn some things, and then you're ready to level up. And you keep on doing this, ideally, year after year after year. So here's our ideal math foundation Jenga tower. But what really happens is life. Maybe you didn't like your second grade teacher. Maybe you weren't quite as ready to learn your multiplication facts as the rest of the class was. Maybe you switched schools in the fourth grade. And then the school you came to was at a different spot. You missed a few chunks. Maybe there was a giant global pandemic and your school shut down for a year. Let's knock out a few blocks for that one. Here's a doozy, happens a lot. Some big life trouble. Maybe your parents get divorced. Kind of hard to concentrate on math when that kind of stuff is going on. So as you can see, we've got a few gaps in our ideal math foundation. And you'll notice that our tower is getting a little wobbly as we keep trying to build on top of these gaps. Now the good news is that this doesn't mean that you're bad at math. This just means that you have gaps. Gaps are fixable. You just have to find them and fill up. And that, my friends, is what we are here to help you with. Stay tuned for more videos on how you can fill your foundation.